This brand is available at discount retailers such as Walmart and Target as well as through their Amazon store, but the guarantee on the units is only average when compared to other brands. The FPF30UH model is a basic two-stage portable HEPA air filter with a 690 square feet coverage area and a 101 CFM delivery rate, while the FPK50UW model is a three-stage purifier with a 1,253 square feet coverage area and a 171 CFM delivery rate. The FPA80UW model is a basic four-stage purifier that has a 2,198 square feet coverage area with a 303 CFM delivery rate, while the KC850U model has a 1,230 square feet coverage with a 164 CFM delivery rate and includes a humidifier. The KC70UW model has 4 stages of cleaning, a 1913 square feet coverage area with a 260 CFM delivery rate, a humidifier, and Wi-Fi ability so that it can be controlled from the SharpAir app or with Alexa and Google voice commands. The KC860U model has a humidifier and a coverage area of 1,650 square feet with a 231 CFM delivery rate but no Wi-Fi control, while the FXJ80UW model has a 2,430 square feet coverage area with a 334 CFM delivery rate and can be controlled through Wi-Fi, but it does not have a humidifier. The KCP110UW model is their largest with a coverage area of 2,603 square feet and a delivery rate of 352 CFM, a humidifier, and Wi-Fi connectivity. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.